Every bad hire costs you twice. Once when they slow the job down, and again when you have to replace them. In high turnover field service businesses, time is money, and the fastest way to lose both is manual hiring. If you're still recruiting through text, spreadsheets, and scattered paperwork, you're not just wasting hours, you're creating compliance risks with every late or missing document. That's why hiring the right people and having systems that automate hiring and onboarding isn't a nice to have anymore. It's a survival tactic. The impossible bridge. This survival tactic is most critical for those of you managing a deskless workforce. In industries like retail, construction, or field services, hiring presents a unique bottleneck. Managers often recruit via posts, word of mouth, or share job posts through text, leading to candidate data being scattered across disconnected tools. This creates a black hole where quality applicants drop off because of slow follow-ups. Even when you find the right person, the transition is often painful, with the first shift wasted on physical paperwork instead of actual work. But what if you could replace that chaos with a single, automated workflow that turns an applicant into a productive employee before they even walk through the door? The solution: Connecteam's Hiring Hub. Connecteam is an all-in-one employee management platform designed to handle everything a deskless business needs. By adding a dedicated hiring and onboarding hub, Connecteam closes the loop on the entire employee lifecycle, from the moment someone applies to their very last shift. Here is exactly how this tool transforms your hiring process. Hiring. Step number 1, role-specific links. Instead of a clunky portal, you send a mobile-friendly link. When a candidate clicks, they see a professional, branded interface where they can quick apply in seconds. They can upload certifications by snapping a photo with their phone camera and answer qualifying questions, like, do you have a valid license? So only the right applicants reach your inbox. It feels like a modern app which drastically reduces candidate drop-off. Step 2, Centralized Workspace. Every application is standardized and stored in one central hiring workspace. No more digging through emails or lost resumes. Everything is organized and easy to manage in one view. Step 3, Collaborative Pipelines. You can move candidates through clear, visual hiring stages and collaborate with other managers in real time to make faster decisions. Onboarding. Step 4, Automated Onboarding and Compliance. This is the game changer. Once you hire someone, you instantly turn them into a Connecteam user with one click. But instead of just sending forms, you send a complete onboarding pack. This digitizes your entire paper trail, from W-9s and I-9s to safety waivers, all signed with a finger on their screen. But it goes even further. You can include training courses, intro videos, and company handbooks directly in the pack. You can even track their progress in real time, ensuring they're 100% compliant and fully trained before their first shifts, all without a single physical filing cabinet. Pricing and scalability. Now, let's talk numbers. For small teams, the starting price is actually $0. There is a small business plan that is free for life for up to 10 users. If your team is larger, you can test drive every premium capability with a 14-day free trial. You don't even need to put in a credit card to start, so there's no risk in seeing if it actually speeds up your workflow. Just keep in mind that Connecteam uses a hub system. You can start with exactly what you need today, like the hiring and onboarding tools in the HR hub. And as your business grows, you can simply snap on new modules like digital time tracking, job scheduling, and team and communication tools like chat and updates. It's a simple, modular way to build a custom system without paying for features you are not ready to use. Final verdict. So, if your current system is a mix of scattered texts and paper forms, the operational waste is likely costing you more than a subscription. Connecteam is built specifically for industries like retail, construction, and field services where professional branding and mobile-first speed are the priority. So, if you're ready to reclaim your time and give your new hires a professional first-day experience, it's time to automate your hiring and onboarding. Especially in high-turnover industries, you cannot afford to be bogged down by admin. These tools shift your focus back to what actually matters: growing your business. Try Connecteam today. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial. But I want to hear from you. How much time is your team currently wasting on manual data entry, or chasing missing forms every single week? Drop a comment below and let's talk about how to get that time back. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.